A Chinese costume show was held at St. Mark's Square in Venice on Tuesday as a major event of the Venice Carnival 2024. The parade showcased traditional Chinese attires from Suzhou Silk Museum.
这次参加汉服秀的中国传统服饰是从苏州丝绸博物馆邮寄过来的。今年正值马可波罗逝世700周年，7个世纪以前，这位威尼斯的冒险家和商人沿着丝绸之路来到了中国。那今天我们穿着这些中国传统的丝绸，展示在威尼斯人和世界人民的面前，希望带给大家美好的体验。我们也希望通过这种服饰方式来增进东西方文化交流。
I'm so happy to participate today, and I've decided to dress up as a Chinese wedding empress because, well, I wanted a direct approach to this beautiful Chinese culture, and since I study already Chinese, I want to get to know better the culture because it's so interesting and there are so many things to learn about this, and I hope that this is one of my first approaches to this beautiful, beautiful culture and kind of lifestyle and incredible history of dresses.